In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code your own Tradingview indicators with ChatGPT. We'll move from an idea in your head to a working indicator on your Tradingview chart. Using ChatGPT to generate Pine Script code and Tradingview's Pine editor to bring it to life. The first thing you need is a clear idea. Describe, in one sentence, exactly what the indicator should do and how it should look. For example, you might say, create an RSI smooth by a moving average that changes color when conditions turn bullish or bearish. The more precise your intention, the better the code you'll receive. Next, prompt ChatGPT for Pine Script code and be specific. Always include the Pine Script version you want. Ask for Pine Script v6 to keep it compatible with the latest syntax. A simple example could be, write a Tradingview Pine Script v6 indicator that paints the background green when the fast EMA is above the slow EMA and red otherwise. You can add details like input lengths or color preferences. But keep the logic focused on a single concept for best results. Now switch to Tradingview. Open a chart and click the Pine Editor tab at the bottom. If T here is default code in the editor, select all of it and delete it so you are starting with a clean slate. Paste in the full code you got from ChatGPT. Then click Save. Give your script a clear name so you can find it later. Click Add to Chart to visualize the indicator. If everything is valid, you'll see it appear immediately, either on the price pane or in a separate pane. Depending on the script's design, if you see red text at the bottom or in the editor, that means T here is an error. Copy the exact error message and paste it back into ChatGPT with a short request like, "Please fix this error." ChatGPT can typically resolve version mismatches, missing variables, or type issues quickly. Always verify you requested Pine Script v6. Version mismatches are a common cause of errors, and specifying the version upfront avoids outdated functions or syntax. Keep your logic simple. ChatGPT excels at single-purpose indicators. If you have a complex idea, break it into smaller parts and build them one at a time, then combine them steadily. Finally, double-check that you copied the entire script from ChatGPT. Scroll to the bottom to confirm nothing was cut off, and that all functions and inputs are included. Incomplete code is a frequent source of confusing errors. That's the full workflow. Clarify the idea. Prompt for v6 code, paste and save, add to chart. Iterate on errors, keep it simple, and verify the full script is present. With a few cycles of refinement, you'll have custom indicators running smoothly.